Okay, let's continue.
We cancel
Okay.
18 and 3, it becomes 6.
Okay, first of all, we canceled t by t. Okay, wait,
Yeah.
let me start from the beginning. We cancel t by t. When you have a fraction times fraction, search for the same variables, okay, the like variables. So now you will have 3 over 56 times 70 over 18. Okay, what's the first thing you have said?
18 and 3,
Great. So what's the greatest common factor?
6.
No, 3. 3 divided 3. Yeah, you mean 6. So when you divide by 3 here, it will be 1. Divide by 3 here, it will be 6, right?
Yeah.
That's great. Okay. Now between 70 and 56, what's the greatest common factor between 70 and 56?
7.
7. Excellent. Okay, so 56 divided 7 is 8. Divided 7 is 10. Do you think it still needs another simplify?
10 and 8.
Yeah. Divided 2 is 5. Divided 2 is 4. Nothing else we can do. So it will be 1 times 5 will be 5. Over 4 times 6 will be 24. So the final answer will be 5 over 24. Okay, scroll down. Yeah, it's here. Yeah. Okay. Huh? Yeah, okay. Okay. This is another one. Okay, fraction times fraction. Okay, the same idea. So I will search for the like terms. Okay, sorry, I'm searching for the like variables or the like expressions. We have m minus 4 and m minus 4, right?
Yeah.
Great. So I will cancel m minus 4 by m minus 4. So instead of m minus 4 here, it will be 1 over 60n times 105 n power 2 2. Okay, I'm still searching for the like variables. Okay, we have here n power 2 and here we have n. So what do you think we can do?
Cancel 1n from the n power 2.
Yeah, so it will be just 1n and here n will be eliminated. Great. Time for the numbers. Now we have here 105 and here we have 2. Is there any common factor between 105 and 2?
2.
No, 105 is an odd number. So you can't divide any odd number by 2. Okay.
Yeah.
So 105 now and 60. What's the greatest common factor between 105 and 60? What do you think?
3.
3. Could you go up a little bit? We have a number ends with 5 and the number ends with 0. What do you think? Any number ends with 5 and 0 is divisible by what? Any number that ends
Uh,
with 5 and or 0 is divisible by what? Which number? By 5. Okay. So
yeah,
60
but
divided 5 will be 12. 5 divided by 5. 60 divided 5 will be 12. 105 divided 5 will be, do it on your own. 5 divided 5 will be what?
21.
21. Great. Do you think there is still a common factor between 21 and 12?
3.
3. Great. 21 divided 3 is 7. 12 divided 3 is 4. Great. So 1 times 7 is 7 over 4 times 2 is 6. So 4 times 2 is 8. So 7 over 8 is the simplest form of this fraction. So it will be 7 over 8n. Sorry, I forgot n. We have n left.
This one?
Yeah, exactly. Okay. Next. When you have a fraction divided by other fraction, so you write t over 4 divided, you make it times, and then you flip the fraction after it. Okay, so what's the first thing you will do for simplifying? For the variables, search for the variables.
T and T and T.
Exactly, t with t. So any common factor between 9 and 4?
No.
Any common factor between 9 and 5?
No.
Great. So 1 times 9 is 9. 4 times 5 is 20. So it will be 9 over 20. Yeah. Okay. So I need you to write in front of me exactly as I did in the last question. Okay, so time. Yeah, 48. Okay, so the first thing,
Um. 36 and 16. 4.
wait, before you go to you have made something wrong here. I told you you convert divided 2 times and the fraction only after divided will be flipped, but the first one stay as it is. So please write this one as it is, please.
Okay.
Great. So you will write the first fraction as it is, 63. Yes. Okay, power 2. Okay, and just stretch the fraction bar. No, not divided now, times. Now we are converting divided to times.
Okay.
Times, and flip the fraction after it. No, flip the fraction after it.
But
Yes.
why should we do that?
Yeah, it's 36. Yeah, b minus 3 over 48. Okay, that's great.
But why should we do that?
Because division, when you look, it's a rule. When you have A over B divided by C over D, fractions don't know division, but it knows multiplication. So A over B will be multiplied by D over C. This is a rule, okay?
Yeah.
So you should always do that. Okay, so here we have, let's start by the variables. What are the like variables you will eliminate?
B3 and B3. Only
Uh,
one of B3.
yeah, great. So 1 from B minus 3 here with B minus 3 here. Great. So we have just B minus 3 down. Great. Now we have A and A. Okay,
Yeah.
so what you should do, cancel it together. Yeah, do it yourself. Great. Now time for the numbers. You have 16 and 36 in the numerator, and you have 63 and 40 in the denominator. So what can we do now? Hmm.
36 divided by 9 for 63 and 36.
Great, exactly. Yeah, do it yourself. Huh?
Correct?
Okay, show me. So we have here divided 4. Divided 9 is 4. Divided 9 here is 7. And then we have, okay, 4. Okay, there's something else. When you divide here 16 by 4, it's 4. And when you divide 40 by 4, it becomes 10. But there is something else. You have 4 and the 10. They are even numbers. So, of course, they will have a common factor.
Yeah.
Okay, so simplify it also. Any 4 you like from here, the 4 of 36 or 4 of 16, it doesn't matter, but just one of them. Great. Divided 2 will be 2. And divided 2 here will be 5. Exactly. So now you have 2 here and 4 here and 7 here and 5 here. And don't forget also you have b minus 3. So 2 times 4 is 8 over 7 times 5 is 35. And you have just b minus 3 and the denominator is left. So this is your answer. Great. Okay. For what value of x this function is undefined? Okay, look, the function is undefined in just one case. What is it? When the denominator, give me the annotate. When the denominator is 0, so anything divided 0, it exists, it doesn't exist, it has no meaning, right? So any function divided by any number divided by 0, it's undefined. Okay, so what makes the denominator here equal to 0 to make it undefined? So we have here x minus 2, x minus 6. So I will write it like that, equal to 0. And then I will take each bracket and make it equal to 0. So x here will be 2. And x minus 6, I will make it equal to 0. So x will be 6. So these are your answers.
Okay. What about this?
Okay. This is a parallelogram. Okay. About the parallelogram, we know that the parallelogram, any parallelogram, will write its properties. The first property, every pair of opposite angles are congruent, like that. Okay, I need you to draw it in your paper.
Okay.
In order to memorize it.
Okay, I wrote it.
Great. The second property, every pair of opposite sides are parallel and congruent to. Okay.
Okay, I wrote it.
Okay. The diagonals. The diagonals of any parallelogram are bisected they bisect each other. That means this is equal to this, KO is equal to OM, and OL will be equal to NO.
Okay. Yeah.
Great. Next. Next is your turn. Now, which of the following options are correct according to the rules we have said now? It's your turn now.
This one.
OK is equal to OM. Exactly. Next, what else? You have another choice.
This.
ON, OL, show me. Yes, exactly. We have ON and OL. The diagonal is bisected. Great, very, very good. Next, next question.
This one.
Okay, fill in the blanks to make it. Okay, the first thing to solve an equation like that, to find what are the values of x that makes this equation is equal to 0. What makes it equal to 0? Let's see. The first thing, this is a quadratic equation because it has x power 2. Great, so this is a quadratic. So it needs factorization. Before doing any factorization, you should do the following. First thing, you have to check the numbers. We have 2, 12, and 54, right?
Yeah.
Great, so 2 and the 12 and the 54, do they have a greatest common factor?
Yeah.
That's great.
2.
Which is 2. It's very obvious. So I write 2 outside and I divide each term by 2. So it will be x power 2 plus 12 over 2, 6, x, 54 divided by 2. So it will be
27.
27. Now it is the turn for making factorization for x squared plus 6x minus 27. We have x squared. Okay, x and x. Then we have 27. What are the two numbers multiplied together? Give us negative 27, and their sum at the same time give us 6. What is it?
Negative 3 and 9.
Exactly, negative 3 and 9. So it's factorized to 2 brackets. When you factorize any function, 2 brackets only, you can take every bracket and make it equal to 0 to find the value for the x. Now it is your turn now. What are the 2x will be? The first x is
3.
the first x is 3. Second,
Negative 9.
negative 9. Exactly. Write your answers. Are you done?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Next one.
We factor first.
What?
We factor.
Before thinking about factoring, we have a fraction times a fraction, and it is equal to something here, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. We have, for your information, I will tell you how to do a question like this easily, without even trying to factor anything. What is it? Look, it is asking you, this expression is equivalent to this expression, right?
Yeah.
Great. Okay, so يعني, what do I get from this information? Oh, you will get many things. It means that when you try to put a, the variable a, with any number you like, it will always give you يعني just replace a, the variable a, with any number you like. The result you will get is the same result you will get from here when you put a by the same number. You get it?
Yeah.
Great. How can I use this information? Look, in order to use this information, I need you to replace a by 0. Okay, every a you see, replace it by 0. And the question mark he needs, just replace it by x. Look, I will do it for you. You see, I'm replacing every a by 0, you see?
Yeah.
Equal. Sorry, not equal, still we have one. Dot. Equal. 2 bracket. 0 plus x, because this is a question mark, huh? We need. This is
Yeah.
a number we need to know. Oh, it seems very easy, right?
Yeah.
The evaluation it will be very easy. Why? I will cancel every 0. Look, 0 times anything, of course, is 0, right? So
Yeah.
I will cancel that, 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 that. We have here 12 over -4 times that, that. -1 over 2. Okay, cancel that, that. So it will be 2 times x times 1. So it will be 2x over 0 plus 4. Cancel 0. It will be 4 only. It's enough. Oh, it is very easy now. Look, now canceling negative by negative. And then, can you do your simplified form?
I cancel from here.
Yeah,
Like
so you have here 12, yeah, by 2, so it will be, yeah, write it. 6, exactly. Go on, continue. We have 6 over 4. What is the common factor between 6 and 4?
2.
2, great. Go on. 3, 2. Great. So, okay, write 2, write 2. Great. So we will have here in this side, we will have 3 over 2. Don't forget, we have 2. Okay?
Yeah.
Equal. What is the common factor here between 2 and 4?
2 and 4.
Yeah.
2.
Yeah, of course. Do it. Great. So it's becoming very easy. Come on. 3 over 2 is equal to x over 2. I need to know x. What can you do with 2 here?
Um.
Hmm. Times 2 times 2.
Oh yeah.
So 2 will be cancelled by 2. So it will be 2 over 1 here. So 2 will be cancelled by 2. So x will be 3. This is the answer. Before you erase it, I need you to copy what I'm doing here in your paper.
Okay.
Are you done?
Yes.
Very good. Okay. First thing, the division, we will convert it to multiplication. Huh? Do this step. Hmm. Write it
Uh,
up here, yeah, please.
I flip all of
You flip what? Which fraction you flip? Uh, yeah, great. But I don't need you to write here. No, no, no. Write up there because we will do more than one step.
here.
Okay, let me see. So we have here, yes, 2m minus 3. Great. Equal to, I will continue it,
All right.
m minus a question mark over 2m plus 3. That's great. So before doing any, without doing any factorizations, do you remember our method from the last question?
Yeah.
Great. So what do you think we will do now? Huh? I need you to tell me yourself.
Change all the n to
Yeah,
0.
exactly. Change all the m's to zeros and the question mark, make it what?
X.
X, exactly. Go on. I'm watching you.
There.
Wait, please. Okay. So here we have 0. Okay, cancel zeros. So cancel, cancel, cancel. So it will be 1 over 9. 1 over negative 9, sorry. Cancel, cancel. Negative 3 over negative 1 equal to. Okay, m here must be 0. 0. Come on, 0. Cancel, cancel. So it will
All
be
right.
negative x over 3. That's great. Okay, negative by negative. And for your information, if you have just one negative here in the fraction equal to other fraction have negative, cancel them also. Okay,
Okay.
great.
Wait,
Uh,
you said when we only have one negative in a fraction, what do we do?
when you have here in a fraction negative and here another fraction, another negative, cancel the two negatives together.
Okay.
Okay, so now it is your turn to do some simplifying. You have here 3 and 9. Yeah, greatest common factor. Do it. Yeah, 3 or 3 is okay. So it will be 1 over 3. Yeah, times. No, 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 it's times, not plus. Here it's times. Okay, times 1 over 1 equal to x over 3. That's great. So it is now 1 over 3 times 1 over 1. So it will be, of course, 1 over 3. 1 over 3, and anything times 1 is equal to itself. And here you have x over 3. For your information, if you have a fraction equal to a fraction, and we have here the same denominators, cancel them together. So x will be equal to, you say it?
1 equals x.
1. Yeah, so 1 equal to x or x equal to 1. So this is the question mark.
Oh, so 1.
Yeah.
Okay.
Are you done? Oh, okay. Next. 12x minus 6 over x. Okay, it is undefined for x equal to. Now it is your turn to do it. When exactly the the function is undefined? When? When the denominator is equal to 0, right?
Yeah.
Okay, that's great.
6 and negative 12.
Yeah, exactly. Excellent. Next.
Um,
Next, it is undefined when? Tell me.
When it is equal to 0.
When it is equal to 0, yes. So what you should do?
Um,
Yeah, continue. Go on. You're doing well.
225 or 0.
225. Okay, so no, x square will be 225. Okay, so x power 2 will be 125.
So 125 uh,
225. Yeah, so x power 2 will be equal to 225. So x will be equal to what? So you square root both sides. So square root 225 will be what?
5 and 5.
So it will, no, 225. Come
Oh,
on.
15.
15 exactly. So it will be positive or negative 15. Do it.
Like this?
Come on. So here, number C. What makes it undefined? Our last question.
Equal when it's equal to 0.
Yeah, so take the denominator and make it equal to 0. Go, come on. Do it.
Do I cancel?
What? No canceling. No, just take the denominator. Negative x squared plus 2x plus 15 equal to 0. Okay, so now our problem is that we have a negative x power 2. Okay, so I need to get rid of negative, which is the
Uh,
coefficient of x power 2. How to do that? Tell me.
Divide by negative x.
Exact. No, no, negative 1.
Negative 1.
Look. So it will be x power 2 minus 2x minus 15 equal to 0 divided negative 1. Of course, it will be 0. Now it is your turn to do the factorization yourself. Do it.
Um, Correct.
Say again. Yeah, so it will be negative 5 plus 3, exactly. So x will be what and what?
Negative 5 and 3.
And no, come on. We take each bracket and make it equal to 0. So x will be what and what? Say again.
Oh, negative 3 and 5.
Negative 3, yes, and 5. Okay, so that's enough for today.
Yeah.
Okay, so we will work on. So when exactly